Hi, and welcome to another episode of BackFire Chat. I'm at Google Cloud Next 23 in San Francisco, and I'm joined by Brian Dorsey, who is a developer relations engineer working on developer tools. Let's get started. So Brian, welcome to
Hello.
BackFire Chat.
Well, thank you. Happy to be here.
So tell us a little bit about what you're working on.
Right. So I think the hot topic of the day is Duet AI, and in particular, Duet AI for developers, which is using generative AI models right in your IDE.
We saw a little bit of that in the keynote this morning.
Yep.
Can you elaborate on that and give us a little bit more information on what we can expect from Duet AI?
And there's going to be more talks online and kind of more details, but the high level is right in your IDE, so like VS Code or JetBrains IDEs, you can have code generation and interactive chat about the code and the stuff that's there.
Fantastic. And the interactive chat is with Duet AI.
Yes, and thus the duet kind of idea is, kind of going back and forth together, working on stuff. And in particular, I'm most excited about the generative stuff when there is a human in the loop. So you're kind of, get a little prompt, do some stuff, modify that a bit, do some more, kind of loop through, because you know what you want to make, and can just kind of help go through the happy path stuff a little faster. Yeah.
And for people developing using, like for example, VS Code and Duet, what languages are supported? What platforms? I mean, for example, if you're a Flutter developer or maybe a web developer or an Android developer, what can people expect?
Yeah, so you should expect that all the languages in common use have support to some degree, and kind of it's based on code that is out in the world commonly. So the more commonly used languages tend to have a lot more code out and may have slightly better support, but it works with especially well with kind of Java and Go and Python right now, but definitely works kind of both front end, back end, various different languages. It works pretty well, but it's definitely still evolving, so you may find some corner cases here and there.
So recently there's been the announcements about Project IDX.
Yep.
Can you tell us a little bit maybe about Project IDX, and is there any interaction between Duet and Project IDX?
Awesome. I'm not personally deeply involved in IDX, but there are two different sets of tools that are based on the same general technologies. And from what I understand, IDX is primarily focused at kind of end user developers straight on. And a lot of the stuff that Cloud Platform as a whole is doing is groups of developers working together on the same project in a team. And so it tends to be a little more focused on groups and kind of give you some maybe more knobs to control what groups have access to and things like that enterprises need, or kind of medium-sized groups.
And where can people find out more?
Yeah, so actually right here to cloud.google.com/duet-AI. Sign up and please give it a try.
Fantastic. Thank you, Brian, for joining us.
Thank you.
And thank you. We'll see you on the next episode of BackFire Chats.